Lisk is a biological system of interoperable blockchain applications created with a mission of everybody profited from the blockchain. Lisk permits engineers to foster decentralized applications without any preparation, including plan, improvement, posting in the dApp store, and dispersing and adapting their decentralized applications. It is the main decentralized arrangement totally written in JavaScript. Every one of these are supported by Lisk sidechain agreement usefulness. Not at all like Google Play Store or Mac Store, Lisk doesn't have control of the blockchain dApp stage since it runs freely on numerous PCs on the public blockchain. The Lisk network incorporates custom blockchain processing hubs, distributed storage, brilliant agreements, everything from one industry arrangement. The product improvement pack permits the designers to flawlessly foster the application with practically no extra abilities to help the standard. The local digital currency of Lisk is called LSK. With Lisk Coin or BTC, clients can pay through an inherent receipt framework on the site to utilize all the cloud capabilities. Lisk takes the various charges from clients for the exchanges while enlisting a client, enrolling as a second passphrase, enlisting as a representative. Lisk's blockchain application stage is where blockchain project manufacturers can track down the colleagues, allies, and subsidizing from lovers. Lisk has separated its clients into 3 client classifications as follows. Full client clients. They are the super clients of Lisk agents and designers, and this bundle is accessible in Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. Lisk Lite. Normal clients can get to their Lisk account through Lisk Lite. It is accessible for Windows and Macintosh operating system. Lisk Versatile permits the client to get to their Lisk account. It is accessible for iOS and Android. It gives simple use and portable connection point. All the dApps can be sent off inside the actual application. Lisk LSK Key Investigation. Lisk was established by Max Cortex and Oliver Beddoes in 2016. It is settled in Switzerland. Around 14,000 bitcoins are utilized in the underlying coin offering. It is a very much established association with 15 specialists for long-haul development. Lisk refreshes its monetary subtleties and accomplishment position in each month-to-month way blog on the authority site. Lisk has separated its guide as quartz, golden, ruby, emerald, sapphire, precious stone from the last month's information. Lisk arrived at the degree of emerald on August 21, 2021, and entered to sapphire stage. Lisk merits a drawn-out speculation in light of its steadily developing excursion and the persistent updates and extension of innovation. 36 Lisk improvement proposition have been distributed toward the finish of the emerald stage. Lisk has moved from mainnet v2 to mainnet v3. v3 has another expansion gotten address framework. Lisk has contracted with significant organizations for improvement and market reach. The light bend is for research advancement and advertising. Bitcoin Suis is for exchanging and liquidation. Lucrise Finance is for bookkeeping, and so on. The organization has been an individual from the INATBA, Crypto Valley affiliation, Swiss Blockchain League. Lisk has started an award program for designers and business people to create blockchain applications with the assistance of Lisk SDK. Lisk give awards for the people who report bugs and issue in the framework. The absolute resource held by the organization in September 2021 was around $133,977,131.98. Specialized examination of LSK. Lisk cost today is above $2.17 with an exchanging volume of $8,039,300.74. The base cost on the exchanging meeting is $1.99. And the most extreme cost is $2.05. According to authentic information, the most exorbitant cost at which Lisk LSK exchanged was $31.30 in 2018. The ongoing cost of Lisk LSK is 90%, not exactly the record-breaking high. The unsurpassed low is 9 cents. Lisk LSK has a complete market cap of $279,827,697.10, with a coursing supply of 128,900,445 LSK computerized coins. Market opinions for the coin are impartial. Lisk digital currency had a cost ascend throughout the previous 1 month. Lisk LSK has gone through a persistent fall in the day-to-day graph after the digital money market plunge on September 7. Traveling through the ceaseless sell Lisk signals it took to help and return quickly to its ongoing worth. The cost change in Lisk LSK has been steady for the last month. Lisk LSK has been continuing on a sideways pattern for the last 3-4 exchanging meetings. It tried the help level of $2.55, returned, and broke the opposition zone of $3 to $3.50. The following quick opposition is set at $3.79. And the following obstruction level is $4.60. Lisk LSK value needs to cross the significant obstruction level of $5.11 before any further move. As of the ongoing value, Lisk LSK is supposed to break out soon. When the Lisk cost hops the $2 opposition zone, $4 is the other obstruction level. Costs have contacted the 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA levels. The typical directional list is impartial. The worldwide patterns of a significant number of the digital currencies have been level for the last week. Consequently, Lisk LSK is likewise exchanging level, yet expecting a purchase Lisk sign for brokers soon. In light of our specialized examination and Lisk cost expectation, the transient merchants can start an exchange, and financial backers can hang tight for a breakout from the ongoing cost level prior to effective money management. Specialized pointers on the everyday diagram show that the MACD line has crossed the sign line, which starts a bullish pattern. RSI is set at 54, and that implies Lisk lovers are bullish on the gauges and have begun purchasing Lisk. On balance, volume marker is likewise great. Bollinger Groups began extending once the Lisk cost began moving over the sideways pattern. Expectations from the specialized examination show that the LSK coin will give a momentary positive value change and ascend to anticipated level. Like each other digital currency from the business sectors, the cost of Lisk is additionally unstable in every one of the trade. Yet, the drawn-out value forecasts are bullish, and because of its enormous development and advancements, LSK anticipates impressive improvement possible later on. Lisk value expectation 2022 to 2026. Lisk cost expectation 2022 is on an upswing. LSK will exchange at least cost of $2.45 levels in November and is supposed to ascend to $2.68 before the current year's over. The typical cost of Lisk for the ongoing year will be around $2.62. Every one of the momentary pointers are bullish, showing a purchase signal. LSK value forecast 2022. As of digital currency expectations toward the start of 2022, the LSK worth will exchange at the value level of $2.45. The typical cost will be around $2.62. Lisk cost expectations for the year demonstrate that when Lisk cost contacts a greatest degree of $2.83, the LSK cost is determined to expect a negative cost change. Lisk LSK value expectation 2023, as indicated by the drawn-out Lisk cost forecast. The base cost of LSK coins will be around $2.64 toward the start of the year. The cost conjecture is bullish and crosses a value limit of $3.15 around the same time, and the typical cost in 2023 is $2.92. Lisk value figure 2024. Figures from various sources and long-haul graphs show LSK cost is anticipated to open at $2.46 toward the start of the year. Financial backers are searching for a steam expansion in Lisk. The greatest cost for the year is $3.30, which is toward the start of 2024. LSK is gauged at a typical cost of $2.72. Lisk value figure 2025. LSK cost expectation 2025 shows that slow worth expansion is occurring in LSK costs and accomplishing a higher high and long